Hi there. Thank you for your interest in my Spring Framework 5 course. Now, I titled this course Beginner to Guru because I wanted it to be a very comprehensive course. My name is John Thompson. I am the founder of Spring Framework Guru, and I picked the Guru name specifically to mean an expert. So I titled this course Beginner to Guru because I want to be able to take you from a beginner level to a guru level. And I've been using the Spring Framework for a very long time. Spring Framework 5 brings out a lot of exciting capabilities. So there's a ton of content in this course. And what I want to do in this course is take you from an absolute beginner, get your feet wet with the Spring Framework 5, and start building applications in it. And I'm going to show you how I've used the Spring Framework inside the enterprise for years. I've actually worked as a pivotal consultant, a Spring Source consultant for several of their clients, and even spoke at Spring One. So I've used the Spring Framework at a lot of different companies, everything from retail organizations such as Kohl's, Visa for financial services, Federal Home Loan Bank. So I've used it in a lot of different industries and a lot of different corporations, and I've seen it used with a lot of different technologies. And as you look into this course, you will see a lot of different technologies used. I'm going to show you best practices. We will dive in, and once we get to testing, I'm going to get you into some of the basics of testing, and from that point forward, we are going to follow test-driven development in the course because that is the best practice. We're also going to set up Circle CI to do continuous integration testing. That is another best practice. These are all common best practices that you're going to see for the Spring Framework in the enterprise. So my goal is to get you comfortable with the Spring Framework and to show you best practices of how companies are using the Spring Framework in the enterprise every day. So check out the course, and I hope you enroll because there's a lot of great content in this course.